here we go. Quick little video on a couple of gadgets I got sent this week. So I got let's go on the cap. I got the Carlisle. This is my fanciest cap. Carlisle fluid, and we all know. Let's get the DeVilbiss. Oh, where is it? Oh, the DeVilbiss. I love these guns. Obviously, that's a slightly different model to mine because I've got the SRIs, but can't fault it. Love the cap. Love the guns. Now, I'm a fan of the Prevost. This is my Prevost. You can see it's pretty well worn. It's a little air blower. Sends out the air in different ways. Probably could do a bit of a cleanup, to be fair. But really good, reliable, works well. I have also got their retractable airline, which I really like because it keeps my workshop floor clear. So pull it out, use it. When you don't need it, just automatically goes back in. You've got to pull it and then it just works on the mechanism, goes back in. So it's a good thing. If you don't have one of those, you know, and you've got your airline all over the floor, you know, maybe invest a little bit of money, get one. Just keeps your workshop neat. You've got customers coming in as well. It just, you know, they just think you've got a nice tidy workshop. You don't have stuff trailing all over the place. I also have that for my electric cables as well. So I got sent this yesterday, which was a bit of a fancy one. So it's a little smaller one with a get right into those tight spots. It's got a flexible cable on it with a bit of a spring to it. So I haven't quite made up my mind whether I'm going to keep it on that or not. Yeah, I don't know. It's, for me, it might not be best for my workshop because, you know, like I just said to you there, I like things clutter free. And I got the airline, it'll just be another thing to go on my airline. So I'm going to, yeah, haven't made my mind up. But for those of you out there, it obviously serves a purpose. But what I do like about this, oh, well, actually, I'll put it back on there. What I do like about this is it, just checking what camera's supposed to be. Hold on, wait 1 minute, bear with me. Right, is it following me? Hey, we're on. So, God, simple things amuse me, don't they? What I like about this is it comes in a little bracket, so you put it on your wall, you know, 2 little screws there and down there if you can see that. And it took me a while to work this out. It's going to take me a while again. There we go. So, nice and neat again. You know, keep it up on your wall. Nice and neat out of the way, you're not going to lose it. This one I made a little bracket for so it sits up on my tools board. But I'm not going to have to do that on there. And also, even if I didn't want to use that airline, and I just want to use the other one, it's all there, nice and neat. So that's cool. But I also got sent this little beauty. So a nice little one. Disperses the air out on the side. There is probably some technology to that, but I don't know it, so I'm not going to try and make it up. But I guess it must increase the air pressure. So you're looking at the size of those, a bit different. That's the big boy, it's a little bit smaller. Used it a couple of times yesterday, really liked it. I think that's just going to be put onto my favourites board, just put aside and move on to its little brother. And for anywhere I need to get deep into a corner, that's going to be that one. So if you don't follow Prevost, or you haven't seen any of their kit, because someone yesterday mentioned that they hadn't, check them out. It's Prevost. Good quality stuff, especially their quick release couplings. So works on a little small one. It's great for, you've got a safety feature there. You press it, let's press it out. Press that once, just it releases it slowly. None of this shooting off with high pressure, possibly damaging a car, which I have seen happen. So there you go, that's a little bit about those. Again, check them out. I use it, works well for me, so I thought I'd just probably share that with you. Great, have a good one. And if you've got any caps you want them to go on my wall of fame, check out my Instagram, pictures of my wall of fame. I've got some, was it 4 or 5 up there. I've got developed one of myself, which is going to go on. Whiz them over, quite happy. And if it's good enough to make it up there, I'll whack it up there. See you, thank you.